here, Hollywood Studios, for Christy's birthday. We are
in the Black Spire.
We are in the Black Spire. But we got early magic hours.
So we're here super early to go fly the Millennium Falcon.
Hopefully not crash it.
I might crash it.
Maybe. It's your birthday.
Flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. And it's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hello, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering.
Next time you have to run. I probably didn't see
So I moved my friend Ray. Oh, right pilot. Push so.
You guys are pilots.
Get closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezca sentados en cuidados.
Those heavy guys are protecting the train. As I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Shoot the train. Yes, keep smashing those cans.
Hey! We still made it!
I got pirate rank. I want the shits.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms.
No.
No, I wasn't bad. Oh man. So we just finished riding Smuggler's Run. And it was crazy.
It's awesome.
So, man, definitely recommend it. If you're able to go ride it, do it.
The whole day through.
What? It's a sausage with egg, cheese, and then some sauce.
It's like a sausage with bread.
Can't go wrong with that.
Steered by Ganja who defeated his opponent Protaka in less than 5 minutes. A shocking victory that Dracula blew them.
Excellent. Hold on. We're tracking possible resistance spies. Looks like you found them first. Good work, Trooper.
It's actually good. I can't describe the flavor, but it's good.
This is gonna taste like bubblegum.
For some reason, I like.
That one?
Yeah.
Soup pequeños. Like almost 7, and I think we've done.
I think it's past 7.
It's past a little bit past, not too much. What time?
8:15.
8:15. So a little, like an hour past 7.
An hour and 15 past 7.
So whatever. Still, we only need 3 rides left to finish the park. Star Tours, Tower of Terror, and the Rock and Roller Coaster.
Oh yeah.
So.
Best birthday ever.
Yep. It just started too.
I know.
Welcome everyone just to your left. Your rooms will be ready soon.
A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
We just finished going on the Tower of the Terror.
Yeah.
And man, now we got in a long time. Since my birthday, like in March. So now we're going to the Rock and Roller Coaster.
My favorite.
Yep. It's been a crazy day. So we just finished riding the Rock and Roller Coaster and Chrissy lost her ears.
I'm sad about it. Why are you making me relive the torture?
I'm sorry. You want the Arendelle ears? I think it was an elaborate ruse.
It wasn't. I'm really sad. I really like those.
But we got them at the outlet, so they're only $7.99 at the outlets. The one we $4.99 at the outlet. So we'll just go back and get her a new pair. It's not worth coming back tomorrow to get it at Lost and Found. It was literally right in the end of the ride. We could see it. It fell off her hands. But it's okay. It's been a great birthday so far. Minus the ear situation.
transmission.
We are leaving the park now. We actually finished everything by 9. So this is pretty good. So now we're back to the hotel room. Have a long day ahead of us. I'm gonna go to Halloween Horror Nights around 4ish or so. How you feeling?
Good. It's been a long morning.
We finished the park in 3 hours.
Yeah. Everything.